Hey, welcome to Zach's Tech Turf and weekly download episode number 87. Today I'm going to be playing some Far Cry 5. When I give you this news, my cup of coffee is actually brewing right now. Make sure you guys let me know in the comment section what you're sipping on. Let's get into it. To start off the tech news, just like we expected, ASRock has officially jumped into the graphics card market, and it's obviously some pretty good timing because we need all of the GPU manufacturers that we could possibly get. So far, they've only teamed up with AMD as their new Phantom gaming card line will only be available with the RX 550, 560, 570, and 580. ASRock didn't specifically say when the new cards will come to stores or for online purchase, but hopefully it's sooner rather than later. Xiaomi is jumping into the PC gaming market, the Chinese smartphones, as they recently unveiled their Mi gaming laptop. This laptop is featuring a 1080p resolution with an i7-7700HQ and a GTX 1050 Ti and will be sold for $955. That's their cheaper version, but either way, that's actually not a great price. You can find that kind of configuration these days for well under $1,000, but I'm assuming that's because they aren't well established in the market yet. They've definitely brought some solid budget smartphones to the world, so I'm not really doubting them in this market as well. And to already wrap up the tech news for the week, the NVIDIA CEO announced in a pre-GTC interview yet again that graphics card prices are most likely not returning to normal anytime soon. The CEO says that the supply chain and NVIDIA partners are working around the clock, but they simply aren't even close to meeting the demand. I've recently seen some videos from other tech YouTubers saying that the GPU apocalypse is gonna end soon. I definitely hope they're right, but I just don't like how they are kind of spreading this false assumption when no one really knows. I hope you didn't get your hopes up for this. Make sure you check out my video about the top 3 budget graphics card video because there are definitely some affordable options out there still. To start off the PC gaming news was probably my favorite news of the week. PC Building Simulator has finally dropped on early access on Steam, and I actually already bought it. The game is exactly what it sounds like. It's a simulator for building PCs, and there's even some RPG elements where you're fixing customer computers to make money for your business. I also think this will be an excellent guide for first-time PC builders, but I'm going to make an entire video on this here soon, so make sure you're subscribed for that. Next up, we found out this week that No Man's Sky is getting yet another update called Next, and apparently it's the biggest update they've ever done. Why am I always reporting about No Man's Sky, you may ask? Well, honestly, I've been kind of secretly rooting for their success because I love their story. No Man's Sky launched in the worst possible way I've ever seen from PC gaming, but they've stayed committed to developing their game and it's becoming better and better, which is unfortunately weird to hear in PC gaming. I'm all for it. I hope they create the best possible space exploration game that they can, and this latest update will be released in the summer of this year. Moving on to some more game news, Electronic Arts showed us the process behind their AI testing in Battlefield 1, and it's actually pretty interesting if you're into that kind of thing. They showed this video about how these AI bots are constantly learning to play the game based off previous matches, and it's a major technology that we'll definitely be seeing in the future of video games. There are so many games out there with terrible AI, but it will only get more and more realistic. There's still a long way to go, as you can see right here in this video, but it's still very cool to see how they're doing all this stuff. Fortnite is now giving away even more gear to Twitch Prime subscribers, aka anyone that has an active Amazon Prime account. They are already giving away an entire outfit and glider, but they also now just added the Instigator pickaxe, which completes the set. Just thought you guys should know this because virtually everyone is playing Fortnite, and by the way, make sure you check out my Fortnite with budget graphics card video if you're gaming on a budget build but still want to hop into the action. And finally, to wrap up the PC gaming news for the week, Spec Ops The Line is the latest free game featured on the Humble Store, so go grab that one if you don't already have it. I've heard so many good things about this game. I personally haven't played it yet, but hey, it's another free game to add to your library. Well, that wraps up weekly download episode number 87. As a quick side note, I want to let you guys know that I'm actually having a ton of fun with Far Cry 5, so be sure to let me know down in the comment section what game you want to see me play on this series next. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please drop a like down below to help support my channel, and as always, thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more Zach's Tech Turf videos.